It's just a little video update. I know we hadn't put one out in a while. We had some problems with Tropical Storm Debbie, and then with my brother-in-law Randy passing away. So we kind of been out of sorts. But anyway, we'll try to give you a little update. We've let the chickens out. This might be a little bit dark. Yeah, we're letting them try to free range a little bit. They seem to like it. Mike's checking on the worm bed and filling up the tube, and it gives the chickens water. Have you opened it up? Does it look okay?
No, I didn't look at it yet. Actually full of water on top.
Oh yeah. Gosh, it's so buggy. I'm sorry guys if I shake the camera. It's so buggy out here because of all this rain.
There's some in there.
Lord have mercy. And gnats everywhere.
That's the little one. They having a bunch of little ones.
Huh? Well, that's good. Girls. They kind of stay close to the coop for now, but they're doing good. It's good for them to get out.